Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $563 that I plan on putting into my wallet, my envelopes, my cash envelopes, and then some savings challenges. So I'm just going to plan out all the totals. That way when I go to the bank, I know how much money I need to get, like which denominations I need to take out of the bank. Also, I wanted to mention, I don't cash plan or cash stuff any of my bills. All of that does stay in the bank. So this is just money that I like to focus when it comes on to the system on my spending money and savings. So that's all you'll kind of see here when it comes to cash stuffing. But I do have a setup video, like a budget setup video, which I will be posting soon because I like to do that before the new month starts, where I go over my bills if you're interested in seeing all of that fun stuff. But yeah, for now, I'm just going to cash plan for the week $563 into all of these envelopes. I like to put at least something into each one. And yeah, I'm going to first start off in my wallet. So wallet is going to get the usual amount that I normally put in here, which is $170. So I already have that figured out. So spending, I've actually been doing pretty good in my wallet this week. I'm actually surprised, but I've been really busy, like work-wise. Well, not just at work, like my full-time job, but also my social media stuff. And I haven't been going to the store, so that's helped me to not spend too much in here, aside from groceries. Obviously groceries, definitely had to go do that. But I do have a good amount left in these, so I'm excited to put this into some savings challenges when I cash stuff. All right, so spending is gonna get 30, eating out 30. I probably will go out to eat tomorrow though, because it's Friday. So I might treat myself to something. Groceries is gonna get 80. Coffee is getting 20 this week. I have an extra 10 this week, so I have one more reload because this week I gave myself 30. So I had a little bit more, and I've been better about not getting like a drink and pastry or a drink and sandwich, because geez, it's so expensive. I mean, the drink is already expensive. When you do both, it's like, whoa. But I still have one more reload, so I probably will reload. And I usually get coffee at work. We do Starbucks runs, so usually do that there. My coworker will go pick it up, so I might do that tomorrow as well. It's Friday. At least when I'm filming this, it's Thursday. Even though I wrote the wrong date, but that's okay. I usually do this video on Friday myself, like when I film it, so I'm a little off because I plan on going to Disneyland on Saturday in the morning, and that's when I usually go to the bank. So now I have to bump it up a little bit early and go to the bank on Friday after work instead, so I have the money for cash stuffing. That's a whole thing, but I have to plan ahead for that kind of stuff. So buffer this week is getting 10. Doesn't look like I might have spent something. Yeah, maybe like a couple bucks there. Okay, so that is it for my wallet. That's a total of 170 that's going in here for the week. So I'm gonna start calculating this. Oops, 563, 170. So I'm left with 393. And like I said, I'm gonna try to put a little bit into each envelope just so I can get something in each one. I'm first gonna start off in my savings binder because I have a little game I like to play, this little power up challenge game. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so I need some dice. And a sticky note. A sticky note and dice. Okay, so I'm gonna roll to see how many rolls I will be rolling for this game. One roll. Okay, it is what it is. It's probably gonna be $1 because I do a lot of dollar ones. All right, we got 2 and 3. Oh, okay, that's not bad. 10. Even though I rarely get that one, so that's pretty good. That's my only roll. So that is it. See, I thought I was gonna get $1. I got 10. I got like almost, I don't think I've ever gotten this one. But 10 is pretty good, so I'm gonna put 10 in there. Okay, so minus 10. All right, so I have 383. I'm gonna come back to this binder later, but I'm gonna focus on all of these first. All right, auto repair. Let's see, what do I have so far? 155. I'm gonna put 10 in here. Electronics is gonna get 15. Emergency this week, I'm 20. Extra savings is also gonna get 20. Furniture, not a huge priority, so this is just gonna get 5. And if you're wondering how I figure out these totals, honestly, it's just a feeling. It's a feeling that I have that I put into here. There's no like way that I figure out. Oh, actually, I do prioritize some envelopes, like the emergency, extra savings, and my treat yourself. Those will get like the largest amounts total wise, and I usually match them. So I do have that type of, I do figure it out that way. But then some of the other ones I just go based off of what I feel I should put in there. And then the low priority ones, like furniture, it's not like a huge priority. I actually have a decent amount in furniture. I have 118 already in there. So I feel like that's a good amount. I haven't even decided what I want to buy when it comes to that. I'm still buying furniture for my place, so I just need to figure out what I want to get from there. But yeah, low priority ones will get 5. At least it's getting something, and it helps to build it up each week, which is nice. Especially in envelopes that I don't really spend from on a weekly basis. So that's nice. Rainy day. I'm actually going to put 10 in here because I'm taking a day off of work next week. And then I use this envelope when I take time off from work and I don't use PTO. So that's that one. Registration is already fully funded. Road trip, I actually have enough for the trip I'm taking out of town. I usually need $35 to go and come back from where I'm going. So I think I'm gonna put 5 for this week. Scentsy, this is not a huge priority, that's getting 5. Subscriptions, 10. Travel, let's put 10. Okay, 273 left. Let's go into this binder here. Actually, I kind of want to do the pink one first, because I know Treat Yourself's in here and I'm going to put a large amount in there. All right, Go Wild is going to get 15. Oh, it's a little bit out of order. Okay, Go Wild is right here. 15. Disneyland. Okay, oh, I forgot about this. I'm going to Disney this weekend. Actually, I forgot. I need to prioritize this a little bit more. This actually might get more than I had planned because I'm going this weekend. I have $31, which is okay, but I want more. We're actually planning on trying a bunch of new treats because they have a Halloween menu right now. So there's a lot of things that we want to try. So I think I want to get more money in here. I have 31. I'm just gonna basically almost double it. $30 is going in here. Yeah, because I just need more money in there. Christmas is gonna get 10. Holiday decor. Okay, 5. I feel like I'm gonna want a bunch of Christmas stuff, so that's why I've been putting more money in there. Fun has nothing. That's so sad. I spent it all. It's not sad really, because I had fun with it. So that was a good thing. Treat Yourself is getting 20 because I'm matching these amounts. Hobbies, 5. Not a huge priority on that one. Cool. Next up, I will go into this binder. And if I need to adjust any of these, I can totally do that. So, like takeaway amounts and stuff, we'll see though. Beauty has a good amount. I have 50 in here, 54, and I actually have a gift card to Ulta for $50. So basically I have $100 for beauty stuff. So I think since I do need to get some things, you know, that stuff is expensive. But since I have $100, it's actually not bad. So I'm just gonna put 5. Okay, clothing, 15. Content, 5. Costco is 5 as well, because this will also get, did I subtract already? Each, I can't remember. But this also will get the leftover money from my grocery envelope, which actually I have some money left over. So it'll get 5 plus this in here. And I think I need to go to Costco this weekend. So yeah, that'll be a good amount. I had to check back and make sure I did do it correctly, and I did. So family, ooh, I have a good amount in family already. $5 in here. Gifts. Let's do, my nephew's birthday's coming up, so 10. Home, 10. Household, 10. Target, I have 46 in Target. Okay, 5. Okay, I'm left with 108. Oh, I need to do a 100 envelope too. Okay, let me think. I think I want to bump up some of these a little bit more. Like I said, I'm going to Disney this weekend, so I think I should bump up this to 40. So that's an extra 10. And I kind of want to bump these up. My emergency extra savings and treat yourself envelope to 30. Okay, so that'll be 30 bucks total. So each of these will get $10 more. 30 and 30, so that's minus 30. I'm left with 68. Let me see what other envelope would be cool. Oh, fun, because fun is kind of like, doesn't have a lot. So let's see, where's fun? I'm gonna do 15 in fun. Or should I do 20? No, I'm gonna do 15. That's 5, an extra 5. Okay, so I'm left with 63, and I still have some savings challenges that I want to fill. So first up is 100 envelope. This one, I'm gonna plan for, what should I plan for? I have 10. I kind of want to just plan for 5. I've been doing that. And then I'm gonna have a good amount of leftover money, and leftover money will go into challenges. So I will be able to bump this up a bit. So I'm gonna plan for 5, but it'll be more than that. Left with 58. This is the last week of saving in my savings challenges before I take it back to the bank, because I like to start over on my challenges. Not all of them, just some of them at the beginning of the month. So I kind of want to get a little bit more into these. September savings challenge, this one's a $10 one. I think I want to put 20. $10 challenge, we'll get 20. $5 challenge, we'll get 15. I still have this 52 circles, which I will put maybe 12. Yeah, 52 circles, 12. I'm left with 11, and that's just gonna go into my dollar challenge. Oops, $11. Okay, that should be it. Those are all my challenges. All right, so I'm going to double check my totals. I'm just gonna calculate all of this and make sure it does equal out to 563 before I move on to the tally part of this video. So everything does total out to 563, so I'm good. Now I'm just going to figure out the denominations with the little tallies. So auto repair is 10, that's 110. Electronics is 15, 10 and a 5. Emergency is 30, and then so is extra savings. Furniture is 5. Rainy day, 10. Road trip, 5 and 5 for Scentsy. Subscriptions and travel are 10. Beauty is 5. Clothing is 15. Content 5. Costco, and so is family. And then I have a few 10s here. Gifts, home and household. Another 5. 15 for Go Wild. Disneyland is 40. So that's 2 20s. Christmas is 10. Holiday decor is 5. Fun is 15. Treat yourself 30, so 20 to 10. Hobbies 5. Power up is 10. 100 envelope 5. $10 challenge is 2 10s for 20. And $5 challenge is 3 5s. 52 circles is 12, so that's 10. 11, 12, and then I have 11. I'm just gonna circle it because it's 11, not 2 1s. 52 circles is 11. All right, so now I'm just gonna count up the tallies to see, make sure all of it totals out correctly. So 50, this is 10, this tends to be where I mess up. So we'll see if I messed up. So 50, that's 1. 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 5s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then I have 1s. So 11, 16, 17, 18. All right, so 50s, that's $50. 20s, that's 160. 10s is 240. 19 times 5 is 95. And 18. And then I'm just going to total this up and make sure it really is what it's supposed to be. Perfect, 563. So let me get my sticky note. I like to use a sticky note to write the totals down. And this is what I give to the teller at the bank. So 50 times 1 is 50, so 150. 20 times 8 is 160. 10 times 24 is 240. 5 times 19 is 95. And 1 times 18 is $18. And that is a total of $563. It's so funny. Last time I went to the bank, because I always give this little sticky note to the teller. And this has happened a couple times, but the last week when I went to the bank, I gave the teller the slip, this little sticky note. And she did she inputted it all in. And then she told me I was $30 short. She's like, oh, what did you want the rest of the $30? How did you want that? And I was like, what? I was like, I calculated it really quick and I was like, no, that should be the right amount. And then she had messed up on her end. I've had that happen a couple times, but I was like, I triple check this stuff all the time. I didn't tell her like I film it and like, check it a million times basically. I was like, I know that number's right. I know this is correct. That's why I like doing these videos that, I check myself, I double check, triple check myself. So I'm pretty confident when I go to the teller, like this breakdown is spot on, correct. We're good to go on this. But yeah, she must have inputted like one of these wrong. Sometimes like, I think they might have, actually, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know, but it all gets figured out in the end and that's all that matters. But yeah, I'm going to give this little sticky note to the teller and then I'm going to ask for 563 and this little breakdown right here. And then that way I can have that for my next cash stuffing, which if you're not already subscribed to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to check out how I take all of this and stuff it into my envelopes. I love doing that. It's one of my favorite things. I love watching other people do it. It's one of my favorite things to watch on YouTube. I don't know why, it's like kind of relaxing in a way, just like popping on and watch people count their money and seeing their stuff like grow and add to it. It's awesome. But yeah, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my cash planning for the week. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Again, if you are not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free. It's something nice and free to enjoy. But yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.